So we're out here trying a brand new spot that we've never tried before. We're gonna walk down this river and well, creek, river, whatever.
River.
Same difference, just size. And there's a pond down there that supposedly has really good fishing. So might as well try it. Little dink!
It's a largemouth though.
Hey, it's a start. It's a good
Told you
start.
taking that leader off, you'd get fish. Am I right?
Shut up. It's a good start though.
Yeah.
And that's that
Grub.
that's that grub that you recommended to me at
Yeah.
Gander that one day we went down there. That's a start.
Yep.
Good one at that.
Watermelon red. I don't have the best color on. A brown crawdad.
Walking underneath this bridge. I'm coming. But look at that. Yeah.
Oh, I want to stay in this water.
Yeah, it is. My dad said we'll be standing about waist deep of water when we get to the pond
Alright.
and casting in. Ooh, surface right there. Right there. Right in front of that tree. Got it? Ooh, there's one.
You suck. I can't even catch one.
Dude, this is a smallie.
That's a large one.
Oh, is it? Oh yeah, you're right.
How come you get a, I can't even get a bite?
Thought you just missed one.
I know, but I mean a good bite. Like, do they have it?
Ugh. Oh, there it goes. It's going right to your bait. Catches the same fish.
Or do they just want that quicker moving?
Well, I mean, it is a creek. It does make sense that they would want something moving.
I'm gonna have to put a grub on.
Yeah.
Or put like a swim bait on.
This is super windy. I mean,
We'll try it.
yeah.
I'm not promising anything though. Look at this. This is like white taps.
And I'd like to argue whoever said this was a pond.
Yeah, it's more of a lake.
However, though, I do like the creek entrance.
Oh yeah.
That was fun. We had to
Oh my gosh.
go up and around here to get over this dam.
I got another one.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Nate just missed another one.
And my line was over here.
Nate just missed another one. Nate finally got one.
Shut up. On that craw.
Nice one.
Chunky one.
Yeah, and flip it around. It kind of looks like something took like a chomp out of it on the side of it underneath your hand here.
Yeah. by this dam, and I mean, he didn't hang here all day. I mean, these fish are gonna move in and out. We'll probably catch a bunch of them off this dam. But I've been getting bites. I'm just pitching it right. That's the first one that I've caught. I've missed like 3.
I kind of want to go try that bay down there.
We will. I mean, that's all grass, you know. I'm just like throwing it like that, right up against that. Are you still going?
Yeah.
Right up against that dam there, and they're just on it. We can always work down here quick too.
I don't know if I like that though, because there's houses over there. I mean, I don't really want to.
We'll just move up.
I don't really want to be trespassing, you know.
Yeah, we will.
We only had the one fish up on the other side of the dam, so we're gonna go back on the creek and fish the creek for a while. I really like this corner.
Then we'll stop right there. We're gonna fish.
Nate, I hope you know I'm recording.
Yeah. Fish can hear my excellent voice.
You'll get discovered by some producer.
Oh yeah. I'm the next Megan Trainor, baby. Oh yeah. You better watch out. Better be next Michael Jackson. Ow!
My bucket.
Yeah.
Alright.
Where did you stuck in a tree?
I didn't get stuck in a tree. I just cast it over a tree and then broke the limb off of it.
Potato. Yeah.
Dude, that one's smaller than mine. Maybe. Can't really tell from here. Yeah, that one's definitely an 8-incher. The 8-inch, little 8-inch bass ripped up your crop.